All right, folks. It hasn't even been maybe 6, 7 minutes. I just refilled the syringe. It just got down into this bit here, and I don't know if you can see this, but look how purple that is already. Look how much more purple it is now than it was just a couple minutes ago, and you see what we got going on in there. She's dripping pretty good. You see it flowing down. It's moving. It's moving pretty good. You can actually see it moving. We're right there on that top line now, 60 milliliters. And you see what we got going on. It's just drip, drip, dripping, but at least it is now coming out in a much darker purple. And we're gonna run this. We'll run this whole thing through there too, and just let it go. Make sure we got good, clean brake fluid in there, so when we get them hot, which we will be getting them hot, we won't have any pedal travel, we won't have any fade, we won't have any sponginess. It's all part of the maintenance, right? I mean, with the .5, it's a little more maintenance because, you know, with the silicone base and attracting moisture, you get this issue. Maybe you don't get it so much with .3, .4, but I'd do the same thing if I was using .3 or .4 brake fluid. It just, at the speeds we're traveling, it just doesn't make any sense to take any chances. It just doesn't make any sense. So, you know, a bottle of this stuff was $9-10, I think. And we got to do Richie's cart yet too. So we got 3 bottles, $30, cheap insurance. We'll run it through our front and rear on both cars, and we're getting them ready to go to Grattan. So that's what we got going here, folks. Gravity feeding the brake system, purging out the old and flowing in the new. See y'all.